According to report by Militarny, M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle withstood direct hit from an enemy first-person view drone. The video footage reveals the Bradley engaging enemy infantry before being struck by the FPV drone on its return journey. Mercedes-Benz special trucks will deliver over 1,500 Zetros logistics trucks to the Canadian Armed Forces, which includes 1,000 light 4x4 Zetros and approximately 500 heavy 8x8 Zetros truck. The vehicles will be used for off-road transportation of goods and personnel. The Romanian Ministry of Defence has contracted Germany's Quantum Systems to deliver its advanced vector unmanned aerial drone system. The vertical takeoff and landing drone features an endurance of 3 hours and flight range of 180 kilometers. Boeing has developed latest REVOLVER launcher system, designed to fit within the cargo compartment of the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III, showcasing unprecedented capabilities in deploying multiple X-51 hypersonic cruise missiles.